Before I begin, subscribe my channel for future updates. Now today's question is, if CM and RN are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then prove that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Next is CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. And next is triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. We have to prove the three conditions. Two triangles are given. CM and RN are the medians. First, we draw two triangles like this. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. Since CM is the median of triangle ABC and NR is the median of triangle PQR, CM and RN are the median of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. We have to prove that AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR and CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. Solution. Solution. Now we have triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR is given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we have similarity criterion that AB divided by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. This is the similarity criterion condition. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Next we have angle A is equal to angle P. This angle is equal to this. This angle is equal to this. So angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. Next, if this is a AB, then AB is equal to 2 into AM, because MB and AM both are equal sides. AM is equal to MB, so AB is equal to 2AM. Next, similarly, in this triangle, PQ is equal to 2 into NP. Since CM and RN are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Next, we substitute the values of AB and PQ here. We get 2AM divided by 2PN is equal to BC by QR. 2 get cancelled, so AM by PN is equal to BC by QR. AM by PN here, AM by PN is equal to BC by QR, which implies AM by PN is equal to CA by RP or AC by PR. AC by PR, because from 1 I will take this equation as 1. So from 1 we get BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So I write in the place of BC by QR as AC by PR. Next, angle MAC. Angle MAC is equal to angle NPR. Here you observe that angle MAC is equal to angle NPR, so that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. So that triangle AMC is equal to similar to triangle PNR because two sides are equal and one angle is equal. So triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR because of SAS similarity. So first condition is proved. Next we have to prove that CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Next, here AM by PN is equal to BC by QR, and AM by PN is equal to AC by PR. Since triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, since two triangles AMC and triangle PNR are similar, so we can write easily that AM by PN is equal to AC divided by PR. Since this triangle is similar to this triangle, so AM by PN is equal to AC by PR. AC by PR. Next, it is also similar to CM by RN. CM by RN. We take this to CM by RN is equal to AC by PR. We have to prove that CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. We have CM by RN, AC by PR is there. So we take from 1 AB divided by PQ is equal to AC divided by PR. Here we shift this to this, then we get CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. This is from equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now second condition is also proved here. CM by RN is equal to AB divided by PQ. Second condition is also proved. We take this as equation number 2. Next we have to prove that triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. Again from we have AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So we take these two. We shift AB by PQ in place of BC in place of this. We shift BC by QR in place of AB by PQ. From 1 CM by RN is equal to BC by QR. We need this triangle. So in order to show criterion, we write BC as AB by PQ. Again from this we have this side is equal to this. AM is equal to MB. So we get AB. AB means AM plus MB and PQ means PN plus NQ. So we write it as CN by RN is equal to 2 into MB divided by 2 into NQ. PQ in place of PQ we write 2 into NQ. 2 get cancelled. So we get CN by RN is equal to MB by NQ. We already have BC by QR is equal to CN by RN and CN by RN is equal to MB by NQ. So we get the three triangles. One is Cm by Rn is equal to Bc by Qr is equal to Mb by Nq. So from triple S postulates, similarity criterion, we get triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ, and hence we proved the three conditions. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you.